Hello beautiful, I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today's video, you've seen the title, you know what we're doing. I'm super excited. I'm such a lipstickholic, you guys have no idea. I think I have more lippies than I should, but we all have our own issues. If you're a lipstickholic, leave a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite lipstick as well, so I can check it out. Honestly guys, lipsticks for me is my point. Always wear some kind of lip product. So this video, you see the title, you know what we're checking out. We're gonna be checking out a brand new Revolution Pro lippies. I got all the newness is a word, from Revolution Pro. Can you see? So I got all the lip balms and all the lippies. I think this video would be far too long if I would check out everything. So how about if we just check out the Rockstar Hydrating Shine lipsticks? Because we got 6 in total, so we can do proper swatches, see how it looks and how transfer proof it is and how it feels on the lips in general. My lips are super dry at the moment, so we'll see how hydrating it is, because they say it's hydrating and shine. So what they say about it: want the high shine, glamour and incredible color in one swipe. Ooh, I like this. Look no further than Revolution Pro Rockstar Hydrating Shine lipsticks. These highly pigmented, you're gonna see that soon, lipsticks are formulated with 7 key actives to give amazing care benefits to your lips whilst providing intense color and shine. Each lipstick contains hyaluronic acid, peptides, squalane, aloe vera, shea butter, jojoba oil, am I pronouncing correctly? Cherry blossom oil. Ooh, I love it, cherry blossom oil. Hello. You'll have kind of pink tone to it. Even this kind of warmer peachy tone has a bit of a pinkiness in it, but I mean, we're gonna see how it all looks on the lips. So I think without any further ado, we should do that, right? I'm gonna start from a color called Joy. Isn't it? Oh my god, such a perfect nude. I feel like all the shades gonna be perfect nudes. Feels super hydrating, you guys. Wow, it actually has a smell, very pleasant smell. It smells like food, like cherries. Does it smell like cherries? I don't know. It smells good. Oh my god, you guys, I love the way it looks. Absolutely love it. Okay, let's do a quick kiss test, although I don't think it's transfer proof because it's super hydrating and is not matte. It's hydrating shine lipstick. So here we go. So I don't think it's gonna be transfer proof, but you know, for the matter we can try, right? So I'm gonna do kiss test. Not really transfer proof. Forgive for that one. I'm actually not really angry about it because I feel like, wait, what if I take a tissue and blot it off? I just want to see if the pigment's still gonna be on the lips, so we can see if I would wear this all day long, if the color would stay, you know, because the glossy part would obviously stick to your gloss or, you know, whatever it is, but if the pigment would stay still on the lips. So we're just gonna blend it off. Okay, this is like barely nothing left. Color's still on. I mean, it's not super intense as it was, but look at that. That is not bad. That's like super perfect nude color. And I overdraw my lips a little bit, but you can't see because the pigment isn't there. Thumbs up from me, Revolution Pro. This is amazing. Wow. Yeah, because this doesn't stick anymore. Like there's no transfer anymore on the tissue. Okay, I definitely love it. So it means if you're wearing this all day, you're gonna be eating, drinking and so on, the glossy part will come off, but the pigment gonna stay on your lips. Okay, let's try another shade then. Another shade I have in here, it's called Velvet. Honestly, guys, so pretty. It's so super hydrating, you guys. It's crazy. It smells a bit like cherries, like, you know, cherry blossoms, the trees. That's how it smells. It doesn't smell like a cherry fruit, like cherry berry. Is it berry? Is cherry a berry? Yeah, it smells very nice. Very pretty shade, no? What you guys think? Love it. Okay, another shade. Another shade we got in here is called Cashmere. Honestly, with all nude shades, it looks so pretty. Okay, let's try it. Oh, this is a perfect nude, you guys. I think this is my favorite Cashmere. Definitely my favorite. So pretty. It has a bit more of a brown shade to it. Yeah, this shade. This is the one I'm gonna be wearing the most. Yeah, this is my favorite. Guys, it looks so pretty. Alright, next shade we got is called Passion. Just look at that. It's like proper red. Okay, let's try some. What do you guys think of the shade? Because oh my god, this is like a perfect red, at least for me. Let's try another shade. It's called Strip. More like a lighter pink. So the shade might be slightly bit too light for me, but we're gonna see. So let's try some. Yeah, I think the shade is slightly bit too light for me. But still wearable. This shade, out of all that I tried so far, out of 5 that I tried so far, is my least favorite, as it's a little bit too light for my liking, but still very wearable shade. And if you have a lighter skin tone, that will match you so much, or if your makeup matching with that, that will match you so much. But for my personal liking, it's a little bit too light color, like too pale color. I think my favorite was Joy or Cashmere. It's like my perfect nudes. Okay, we got warmer color. Let's try this. The last shade I got in here is called Fever, and it looks like a darker burgundy brown. Ooh, okay, this looks pretty. That's quite dark color. Wow, Alright guys, what you think of all the shades? Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. I think my favorites are, I really like the Passion, the red color. I really like this Fever, this dark color, although I thought I'm not gonna like it. I thought it's gonna be far too dark for me. Weirdly, I really like it, and it makes my teeth look super white, so that's always a plus, isn't it? Another 2 shades that I really love is a Joy and Cashmere. I love all the shades. I love a Velvet, the more like a pinkish shade. The only one that I'm not too keen on is the Strip, the lighter shade, but I'm sure someone will love it. Like, it's just my shade, you know. What I think about this lip is it's super hydrating. They didn't lie about it. They say it's super hydrating. It is super hydrating. Hydrating shine lipsticks. It is super shiny. They don't say anything about long wear, but they say it's super pigmented. I mean, you can see the color for yourself. It is super pigmented. And as you see, we did this like blotting test. So after blotting, the shade is still on. So if you say need to wear mask on, obviously you can't go straight away with mask because it's just gonna stick on. So just blot it off with a tissue, or put a tissue and then blot it off with the setting powder, so that would absorb all the shiny part. So then you're just gonna have trouser proof matte color on your lips, because you've seen the pigment is there and it's there to stay. I mean, it wasn't as easy to clean my lips, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'll use the tissue and I use the wet towel to, you know, clean it off. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more similar videos like this, like, you know, reviews of a product, of a whole line of a product. If you enjoyed watching this video and you found it helpful, as always, don't forget to press a thumbs up, hit the button to subscribe. You're gonna help my channel majorly, and it's totally free. Everyone loves a freebie, isn't it? Give your girl a follow on the Instagram. I post way much more, and I post daily in there, and I show you insights and behind the scenes and so on, and just my life in general. If you're interested, hit that. Press the bell icon so I get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, just leave a comment below, chat with me, let me know what you think, what you jam, what you like to see next, and I shall see you very soon. So thanks so much for watching, and bye! Have an amazing day.